So today we're gonna talk about something that increasingly relevant for Bitcoiners right now. It's not about holding Bitcoin. It's about using Bitcoin as a money. Whenever we talk about Bitcoin, we talk about investment, holdings, and about this. But our topic today is how do we track the revenue in Bitcoin? How do we track the expenses in Bitcoin? And how are we gonna know what is our net profit or gross profit in Bitcoin? So most of the businesses that are doing business in Bitcoins right now, they have a challenge and depend on spreadsheets. And spreadsheets are become really challenging these days, since when you have multiple wallets and manual tracking with no relevant visibility and conver- conver- conversation complexity, constant fiat users need to convert it towards the Bitcoin. This is getting create real errors and problems for business owners. And one of the key factors is reporting gap. Like every accounting software and other businesses uh, that use fiat currency always treat Bitcoin as an asset, and they never treat the Bitcoin as a cash, which is one of the reasons we are talking about Bitcoin. So we found the problem, and and the pain points of spreadsheets, which I already talked about. No real-time data, difficult integration BitBooks into the P&L statements, manual management is spread across multiple sheets. It's really hard to track each and every sheet. When you are using multiple wallets and you have multiple report and want to create a know what is your total expenses, what are your revenue. It's really hard for you. And this is also very difficult when you come to the compliance and audit. How you gonna find each and every transaction? What are the current exchange rate when it comes to the fiat world, right? So what you'll experience today, system that explore a live Bitcoin accounting software, hands-on access. You get your own login credentials. You can use it, real workflow, and PNL integration. Have you guys ever seen a PNL in Bitcoin? Profit and loss in a Bitcoin? So I'm going to show you today. So are you ready for the demo? Okay. Okay. So we have created a BitBooks as an accounting software. Whenever you create an account on BitBooks, you get this kind of interference, like a dashboard where you see your all revenue, cost of sales, and cash on hand, receivables, payables, and other transactions. It's gonna pop up whether you can need to connect your bank accounts, you need to import your wallets and your transactions as well. Okay, so for the first time in accounting world, since I am from the accounting background, we give a feature of connecting the Bitcoin wallet into accounting software, and whatever the Bitcoin wallet you have, whether it's cold storage, whether it's hot lightning, you can connect to BitBooks. You can get you can also get all the transactions when you move towards the transaction. Right now, there is no transaction since I haven't connected the bank account, any wallet or bank account in it. But let me show you how it's look like P&L in BitBooks. Can you see that? Have you ever seen a P&L in BitBooks, Bitcoin? So it's the numbers are showing in charts. That's why it looks so bigger to you. So beside that, I know everyone loves to see the PNL not in the Bitcoin also, but love to see in a fiat currency as well, which is Euro, Bitcoin, USD or pound. So we have give a button here as well. You can just switch out and see your numbers in Bitcoin, US dollars. And if you want to see in Bitcoin, you can see it in Bitcoin. And the key features here, you can connect your all wallets and your bank accounts in BitBooks right now. So we have a connector with the name of Orange Rail we are using, and you can connect all your wallets into BitBooks and get and sync all your transaction into BitBooks like that. And for bank, we are using the Colt as a software as a connector to connect the banks. But right now we are only supporting the US and Canadian banks. But for African, we are looking for some partner who can help us so we can connect all African bank accounts into it. So do you guys have any questions? And for live demo, I'm gonna give you the QR code. You can just scan it and fill it. You're gonna get an email in a minute. Once you fill out the form, you're gonna receive the email link of an access of BitBooks. You can open that and try the live you can use the BitBooks as an accounting software for your businesses, whether it's a small business or a big business, whatever it is, and whatever industry you are, how you can use it for how it is suitable for your business. Uh, we are supporting multiple currencies right now. If any currency is missing, we can add that. There's no issue with that. But for crypto point of view, we are only supporting Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin. So receiving the email link. Sorry. Yeah, you're gonna receive a BitBooks link on your email. Have you guys received it? Okay. Uh, you can it's a view only mode of your transaction, but you can reclassify it into to create your PNL and balance sheet out of it. But are you talking about like a transferring of money or something like that? For security purpose. So whenever you use the orange rail connector, so there is a private key that only you know about it, and it will be accessed from your browser. So nobody can access. That's only you know about that private key. Whenever you add any expub into it, and it's gonna ask you about your private wallet, which is private key. So once you enter that then anyone can access your wallet. Otherwise, other than that, nobody can enter it. So why you need to connect your bank, your wallet or your bank? So have you ever used any accounting software? Yeah. No. Once you click on the orange wheel connector, and for example, you go towards the Xpub, and you want to connect your any wallet, it's gonna ask you to create a private key that you know about it. Nobody else gonna know about it. Only your browser knows about it. Not even not a QuickBooks about it. It's gonna open the new page, which gonna tell you to create a new private key of you, which you know about it, and it's gonna give you some words as well, which you need to save if you forget about it. So only you can enter into it once you confirm it. Whenever you need to connect any wallet on for security reasons. Have you guys receiving emails regarding the access of BitBooks? Okay. Any more questions? Regarding the POS services you are talking about, or accounting services you are talking about that you need to. Uh, they need to if they want to use your POS services and it is integrated with the BitBooks, they need to be on a BitBooks to use that, right? Otherwise, how the transaction gonna come into the BitBooks and they can see their actual revenue in BitBooks and all the transaction. Since the POs need to be connected into integrated into the BitBooks, right? So your transaction can come into it. Any more questions? Okay. Uh, Before I end the session, I'm gonna show you something. Once you connect the orange wheel connector to connect your wallet, you might see some of the major wallets that are. But however, if you unable to find your Bitcoin wallet, you need to just click it here, write the name of it, and you will see multiple wallets, and so you can select out of it. Okay. So you have an access, but don't connect your wallets into it. It's a public account right now. And don't connect your bank accounts or wallet in it. Okay. It's a Okay. Thank you, guys. Does anyone have any question? Okay. Thank you so much.